racing as they settle. We have My Chic. Very quickly at the start. Moving upon the outside. Firehouse Ambot sa Imo is running by the rail. 3 deep comes Sandok. Then followed over by Heart of the Wind. Next online Snow Princess. While Noble Principality is the trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Firehouse moves up by about 3/4 of a length lead. My Chic in the middle. Running by the rail comes Ambot sa Imo. Then followed over by Heart of the Wind. Then next online now is Sandok, Noble Principality, and Snow Princess. Half-mile distance they travel. This time we have 3 entries. Make it 4. Fire out for the lead. Firehouse moves up by about half length. Moving upon the outside. Heart of the Wind. My Chic is running by the rail. Then followed over by Ambot sa Imo. Sandok comes next. Snow Princess second last, while Noble Principality is still running at the tail of the field. Time is running out as the club, Militia Club, now reach the fourth turn. This time we have 2 entries. Firing out for the lead. My Chic moves up by about half length. Dropping back in second is Heart of the Wind. Then followed over by Firehouse as they swing for home. We have My Chic, Heart of the Wind in second. Firehouse is on the outside third with 100 meters to go. We have My Chic, this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Heart of the Wind. And finally, it's My Chic winning this race by about 3 over Heart of the Wind. Then comes Firehouse, Noble Principality, Snow Princess, Sandok, and Ambots.